One of the things that a lot of customers ask me when they come to visit is, uh, how can you make sure that you're going to be understanding what our requirements are? We need to have a system in place that allows us to hear the things that are unique about customers, that are most important. A group we call the Solution Center is hearing all the things that are happening in implementations for all of our customers. And they're really, really good about saying to our product managers, here are the common themes that we're hearing, the patterns that we're hearing, or the things that are really rising to the surface.
So I'm working on allocation of credit of negative charges. As a Solution Center consultant, we get to work with many projects and implementation consultants in the field. They report issues and gaps in the product to us, and we are the link between the consultants in the field and the product managers and development in the headquarters.
We can't bring every problem to our development organization, and there's some that just don't merit it. So you have to have a way to say, if you have an issue that's worthy of more eyes, let it escalate up to the organization so everybody can see it. If you have things that we've done many times and we're just doing it again, then it doesn't need to escalate up.
About 50% of the requests and issues that we get are being resolved within the Solutions Center. And normally we found that those solutions are applicable to more than one customer. So customers can search and read knowledge-based article published by Solutions Center and other consultant and leverage the code as a starting point for their implementation. Yep. You did. It did pay the positive charge with the negative.
It's important to have people who've been in the field here on site developing the product because we can be more comfortable that we've thought about things the way the customer thinks about them.
I come to the office once a week and I get to work with the product managers and developers.
Which API was this?
When someone like Amnon Levy visits us, he can tell us with great specificity, here are the sorts of things that customers are going to want to use, here are the sorts of things that they don't want to use.
If we can get insight into the way our software is used before we release it, we can have that many more things done the right way before we get to the field.